Hello everyone. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at color schemes and how we can use them to communicate messages about an image. So this right here is our little superhero bear character. And right now he doesn't have a very cohesive color scheme. It's green, red, and blue, which can be used for some things, but it's sort of all over the place for what we want here. And we're going to look at using three types of basic color schemes to change sort of the feeling of this image. So down here we have a crude color wheel that I just made. This is the red, yellow, blue color wheel. Whereas if we go over to the color wheel here, this is the red, green, blue color wheel. So red, green, and blue are in a triangle. Over here we have red, yellow, and blue in a triangle. So this is sort of the traditional color wheel that you use when painting with, say, oil paints or watercolors or whatever it may be. And first we're going to look at first we'll look at a monochromatic color scheme. We'll do monochromatic blue. And monochromatic, as the name suggests, is just a single color. So we're going to put this to blue, maybe something like this. And we're just going to make the different parts of him different blues. And his arms are just strokes, so we're going to use stroke paint here. And we'll just make them the same color as his shirt. And as you can see, we'll change his boots to... we don't want those stroked. We can make them this color, I guess. Alright, and as you can see, a monochromatic color scheme creates an image that's sort of mysterious or silent or still, where everything is very stable. Next, we're going to do a triadic color scheme, and a triadic color scheme is three colors that occur in a triangle on this color wheel. So because we only put 6 colors in this color wheel, we have red, yellow, blue, or purple, orange, green as our two color schemes. And we're going to go with red, yellow, and blue, which is probably more widely used than purple, orange, and green. And we'll make this yellow. We'll make his pants blue. We can make his cape yellow as well. And we'll make his boots red. And as you can see, that creates an image that's a lot more sort of lively or playful. And then for the last one, we're going to do a complementary color scheme. So this one, we're going to do orange and blue. And again, this is probably the one you'll see the most in designs and in photography, such as a shot of a sunset, for instance, often has a blue and orange color scheme. And we'll make his cape. We'll make it a darker blue. And we can make his shoes orange again. Let's try to vary the orange a little bit. Although that's kind of getting away from the basic idea of a complementary color scheme. So we'll just make them the exact same orange. And as you can see, that creates an image that's it sort of pops out a lot, and there's sort of a visual vibration between the two complementary colors. And complementary colors in the color wheel are just colors that occur opposite each other. So we used blue and orange there. Blue and orange. There's also red and green, which is like Christmas colors, and purple and yellow. And if you have a more expansive color wheel, then the colors in between will also form complementary colors like red, violet, and yellow, green. Right. And so that's our little lesson on color schemes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.